Hello, welcome to the program. In a moment, we're going to go and see the greater crested moping teenager. Do follow me. You have to be very quiet though, because he is slightly emotionally disturbed. As you can see, he's in his house, moping away in the dark, unable to deal with real life. As you can see.
Oh, woe is me.
Hello.
Oh, me.
As you can see, he's got the same kind of one-liners. Romeo.
Oh.
Romeo.
Me.
Oh, come out, Romeo. Come out.
What
That's
do you
right.
want?
That's...
Leave me alone.
What's wrong with you, Romeo?
Oh, me. Oh, brawling love. Oh, loving hate. Oh, anything of nothing fast create.
As you can see, most of the language is unintelligible to other members of the human race. But as you can see, the emotional content is very, very, very serious. What's wrong with you this time there, Romeo? What's wrong with you this time?
Oh, she is rich in beauty.
Yes, so see, as you can see, the hormones are running wild. He can't cope with his newfound love. It's another one from last week, you see. So, what are we going to do about this then, Romeo?
Oh.
That's not the answer I was hoping for. We've got to come out with some way to get you out of the house.
Oh.
Yeah, and stop taking the drink.
Teach me how not to love.
Well, I think you could probably teach yourself that, to be honest.
No.
So who is it that you love then?
Oh, Rosaline. Oh, Rosaline.
Yes. Of course, he's hoping that he'll be able to do a mating dance with her, but quite often the female of the species doesn't particularly like the dance of the moping teenager. She's usually more interested in the dancing of older, more mature males.
Oh.
It'll be fine once you've grown up. Once better not let him out too soon. Otherwise, we don't know what he'll get up to, when he gets out. Anything could happen. He's so emotionally on the cusp
heavy
of doom.
like this serious vanity.
God, makes you sick, doesn't it?